Hello YouTube, it's Ticky's Trinkets here, and today I have for you another organizational type video. I actually have a lot of different ways to DIY organize things, but this is just 3 more fun little DIYs that I'm bringing to you. The first one that I wanted to start with is another over-the-door type hanger. Focus, there we go. It is just like when I had my clothes on the door. You can see where I still have the bottom hanger down there. But instead of doing the outfit, since I'm not in school right now, I actually have my purses, which you can kind of see. There's more than just the rabbit back there. Here's a pizza clutch, because I have an addiction. And different purses just hanging from an over-the-door holder and a mirror so I can just kind of check myself out. But yeah, it's just a cute and easy way to store your purses, along with belts or hats, anything that you could just hang up very easily. I decided, like I said, to forego the clothing because I'm not in school right now. I'm actually just working, and in between getting a second job or whatever I want to do, and I'm still doing Etsy and YouTube in the meantime. I promise to try to start uploading more often. It's just been a struggle. But yeah, this is the first easy hack. It's no problem at all. And just so you can see how the bunny's hanging, he's got a little hook back there. It's a backpack. His head opens up and the back of his back opens up. It's very cute. Not sponsored, just love this rabbit. Alright, on to the next. Okay, the second thing I have for y'all today is a DIY bookshelf. If you live in a very small space, that might actually be what I titled this, is like a DIY organization for small spaces. But this is my little makeshift bookshelf. I bought each of these crates from Walmart. They were about $5.97 each, $5.98 each. And to connect them together, I just used twist ties. You can cut this little bit off, which I've just been lazy and I haven't, but I can just push things over and it's perfectly fine. Yeah, let's put that in the back. Sorry if there's kind of like a shadow. I have on an extra lamp just to try to get a little more light for y'all to see. Oh, and now I'm knocking things over. Technical difficulties. But yeah, you can also utilize the space on top if you don't like the holes being on the top part. I just put a blank white canvas up here, which I actually plan on flipping over and painting soon. That way it's a little more decorative. And I just have it right below my light switch, which is a convenient space. Again, optimized for small spaces. A little bell on the top, electronics. And it's not just books, as you can see, because I don't own a lot of books. But I also have just like candy and stuff up here. And cups and stuff that I don't have any more room to put them. Books on that shelf. Little Bible up there. Books down here. And again, it's all just zip tied together, nice and securely. You can see another one down here, kind of. That way, it's all just one unit, so if I need to move it over to get to my outlet, it's not too hard. I just shimmy everything over. Alright, that is the DIY bookshelf. Okay. On to the third thing. Last but certainly not least, my over-the-door jewelry holder. I know I bought it on either eBay or Amazon. I don't remember the price for this, honestly. But I'm thinking it was like 50 something. It was actually cheaper than buying those stand-up mirrors where you can open and close them and put jewelry in it. And the store is, excuse me, pretty much about the same amount of jewelry. By the way, earlier if you heard like a weird sound, sorry about that. I had a fan going, but I have that off now so that I can have a light on in my closet. So we got a little more light, because my room is like a dark, dank place. But anyways, okay, just starting from the top, I am going to go through this more thoroughly one day, but just not today. Just starting from the top, we have these little holders that just hold all my rings on them. As you can see, I have them kind of color coordinated or fandom coordinated. Then on the sides, I like to hang things like keychains too. Was a little too close. Or stuffed animals. Foxy's hiding up there. Then in the middle section, it has these different little hooks right here you can see that you could just slide on bracelets. And I have all of my bracelets up here and all of my rings up here except for my engagement ring, which is on my finger. Next, it also has this little layer on the top that can come apart separately. And I put, if you can see up there, I can't see because I'm short. You could just put like little miscellaneous things like earrings and buttons and stuff like that. I feel like this is going to be really dark. Again, my room gets no light. Next, my all-time favorite part is where you can hang up all of your dangle hoop type earrings. This is my absolute favorite because I love wearing different earrings. You get all the space in the front, and then you get the space on the side, and if you can see it on this other side, which you're not going to be able to see over there unless I put you over there, and it will be really dark. Then I actually optimized the space in the middle in between the earring section and the necklaces section. Section up here, you can just put like buttons and stuff is what I did to optimize it. I put all my buttons on one little black piece of paper and punched holes into it. And I put a few miscellaneous necklaces. Oh, now you want to refocus. Okay. Put buttons and miscellaneous necklaces, chokers up here. It's still on the little thing that I got them on. And finally, well, technically not finally, this part's supposed to hold all your necklaces, but I used the top parts to also hold earrings, keychains, and necklaces as well, just to optimize space again. And then finally, for real finally, we have the bottom section, which is meant to hold all of your necklaces, and I also use that to hold some earrings too, or a poof ball, because I'm weird and I like to wear them on my pants so they go with my boots. And it's kind of hard to see it, but in the back here, there is an entire next row that you could store more necklaces on. And these hooks on the front, just like the bracelet hooks that were up here. And then these in the back are kind of like the ring holders on the top. So it's just like a beautiful, immaculate way to store all of your jewelry. I mean, look how large this is. It's got to be at least 3 feet long, and it just really easily assembles. You just put the white pieces through the hooks on the top, and then just hang it right over the door, and voila. And there is a gap between my door and the actual frame, so I could close this if I wanted to, but I'm not going to close it because we got cat food down here in a bucket, and it is a pain to move that to, you know, close the closet. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm sorry I didn't like show you how to make any of the DIYs, like the bookshelf and the holder, but you know what I mean. Most of the stuff I bought, and it's just really easy, cute ways to organize, to optimize small spaces in your room or apartment or something like that, and it's just really cute too. Just like last time with some of our previous DIYs. Blah, blah, blah. Just really fun and a cute way to organize things. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. I promise to start uploading more soon. Bye-bye, you guys.